Hello, I'm Macbigicekeys, and this is how to use Customizable Pixel Mapping PNG to JSON by Macbigicekeys. The purpose of this program is to convert pixels from a PNG file into data in a JavaScript object notation file. A note about building the PNG file before you get into my program is you want to be cognizant of exactly what colors you're using for each of the pixels. How I would use this program is I would build my level design in pixels, as you can see on the screen, and then from there I would use the information from the JSON file to add textures and other effects to the game. In the PNG file, well, right now I'm in Krita, so I have multiple layers. Here you can see that I have some entities that are placed on a different layer. I could also export this to a PNG and I could pull that data into the JSON data as well. My first layer, which is my map layer. And then I go into my program and I'm going to select that PNG file, which is right here conveniently. I'm going to select the output location and I'll give it a name. It'll automatically save as the JSON file. And then one feature that I added to my program that I didn't see in other things available, so I've added custom mapping. This means that in the default program, it'll recognize black and white. Black will be walls, white will be floors. Transparent tiles, completely transparent tiles will not be recognized. And any other color will come up as unknown in the JSON data. So if you want to customize what those other colors are, this is what you do. You'd add custom mapping. And this is where knowing your RGBA color is important. So in most image editors, you'll be able to find a color selector that'll have that information, or you can look it up. So for example, if this red, I wanted this red to indicate maybe fire. So 25500, and the last number is for transparency and it's fully opaque. So I would click OK, and then I would label it fire default or something like that. And then for the blue, I would do the same thing. After I've added all that, I would go ahead and generate the JSON file. And what you've typed in here will be in the file too. So you won't have to, if you have to do it again, you'll be able to refer to the previous version. We'll take a look at that. And you can see those namings that I just did, fire DAF and water DAF are now in here under mappings at the top of the file. And then everything is pretty formatted and you have all the data that you need that you can then dump into your code. One last thing, this is available on itch.io. If you aren't coming to the video from itch, you can go there if you're interested in checking out the program. Comment if you like if you do. Thanks for watching.